Hi guys, it's me Pipo. I'm back with another video and today I'm going to show you a cool pattern in the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It's called the donut. Let's begin. Alright, let's begin. But first, you need a solve the Rubik's Cube like what I have here in my hand. If you don't know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, just search into my channel. And I made a tutorial how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube there. Now, once you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, let's start. Just follow these steps. Alright, now let's start making the donut. What we're going to do there is we're going to face any color, any side. It doesn't matter. I like green. You twist the middle layer here, going up like that. And then the middle layer, like here, the second layer, we're going to twist it sideways, going to the left like that. And then next we're going to put this layer back to its original position by pushing it down like that. And then last step, we're going to put the second layer back to its original position. And now we made the donut. Looks tasty. Donut. There we go, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Now I'm going to eat this tasty donut.